lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new item from Pampered Pretties called Pandora's Box. I got this last week when she released it, and because we're both in New York State, it came really fast. She sells these, I believe, for $40. It was her first month doing it, so I'm really excited to see what's included in here. Let me just slice this open. Try not to let, oh my goodness gracious. There is a whole bunch of stuff here. Okay, this is so exciting. So, Pampered Pretties does dips and decals mostly, but it looks like there's a bunch of stuff here. So, let's get into it. These are some cute decals for spring. It's PB, Pandora's Box 1. Then there's Pandora's Box 2, which is like groovy little happy faces, lava lamps, peace signs. So cute. Then there's these. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Daisies with leopard prints, PB3. Then we have PB4, which is a bunch of little multicolored flowers behind a pink background, or in front of a pink background. And then I love gnomes. These are little spring gnomes. This is PB5 with all little flowers, daisies. Oh my gosh, so cute. Sunflowers, daisies, awesome. Okay, and then there's this little buffing block that says Pampered Pretties on it. Oh my good gracious, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so this looks like cuticle oil, which I love, and it's a dropper, which, as you know, I'm a big fan of dropper bottles. This is Pandora's Box. So let me see if I can open it for you guys. I might cut this part out because it's wrapped up here in plastic. Oh, it's a really nice consistency. Oh, it smells really nice. I can't put my finger on it, what it smells like, but it's really good. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that's exciting, and I have plastic on my hands. Then let's get into the dips. So there's some dips here, which I'm guessing are exclusive to this box. Okay, so Pandora 4, which is a green, and it says glow on it. So I'm going to swatch these later and then put the pictures up here so you guys can see. I can't wait to see them swatched. This is Pandora 3. It's like a fun mix. I see a star there. I see different size confetti glitters, fine glitters. Oh my goodness, this is such a fun mix. Okay. This is Pandora 2. Of course, I'm opening them out of order, but that's okay. Oh, and this is a fun, it looks like a lavender base, and then it has like magenta and lavender foils in it. And then I'm guessing this is 1, Pampered 1, or Pandora 1. Ooh, this is like a purple mix with some white and shifting like light purple to dark purple confetti glitters. That looks really fun as well. So I'll swatch those and put them up here at the end for you guys. But then we have a couple of other items here to open up. I'll just lay all these out. Oh, these decals are so fun. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there's some gems. I've never worked with nail gems before, so I'll have to give these a try. There's all different sizes, and it looks like they're all like crystal, diamondy looking. So those will be fun to try out. And a little thank you card. And then a little bag. This is so much fun, so much fun. I feel like I keep saying that. This is so cute. It's like a little bag to store stuff, dips, decals, liquids. If you want to, if you're traveling and you want to switch up your mani, you can probably put some stuff in here to do that. This is so cute. And I love the leopard with the iridescent. So cute. All right, that was amazing. I think if this is going to be a monthly thing, this might be something that I have to get each month. So yeah, that's all that came in this Pandora box. There's quite a bit. I'll, like I said, do a swatching here with everything for you guys so you can see the colors. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let me move this here because I just want to get a final shot with everything for you guys. I'll do this, that, the gems, the cuticle oil. So this was definitely well worth the money, I would say, because there was quite a bit of stuff here. And there we go. Oops, slippery. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to be notified when I post new content. Have a lovely day.